Hi guys, we came to one of the little spots. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. Lily pads are high. You know, before I get any closer, I think I'm gonna switch out my big swim bait rod. I bought the swim bait rod. I'm trying to catch some topwater fish on it. Ooh, I got it all tangled up on here. There you go. Got 3 rods with me. Gonna end up switching out. Put a rat on. I just don't know what rat I should put on. I got the glide. This is this little one. If you guys don't know, I believe this is by Reckless Rodents. Yep. This is once it was specially made for Illinois fishing addicts. It's nice. Okay, we're gonna come and fish around here. This little spot. Let me take you guys off my chesty. So we're gonna come and try this out real quick. Hopefully we catch some big ones. And then I just got these other Waterland glasses, the high bros. Nice pair of sunglasses, especially when it comes down to polarized glasses. I believe for fishing, I believe they're one of the best in the market. I believe a lot of people hate on them because it's American and whatnot, but to each their own. I really like them. I have another pair as well. And we're gonna give this a try. And I'm gonna show you how good these glasses are in the water as well. So yeah, I ended up getting them for my birthday. It was a discount code too, so ain't bad. I believe they give you 30% off for your birthday. My birthday was June 10th. I'm officially 34 years old now, guys. Yep, 34. Hopefully I don't lose no top water. None of this stuff. That should be good. Put you guys back on the chesty. You guys ready? Let's get it. I think something just busted alongside of it. Come on. Got it, baby. Oh, it came off. Ah. I don't know if I should. The second one that comes off on the frog, man. On the Vega frog. Oh. Golly. Dang, that was a fat old bass. Damn. Got him. Got him. Hell yeah. Ah. Decent little bass. Decent little bass. I knew it was gonna come back for it. Get released. This bad boy released. Got him. Got him, baby. Yes, sir. On the fluke. Oh. Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh, I gotta be careful. This neck of the woods, cause I might get hit with a ball or something. I'm trying here though. There's no type of nest or something. You get eaten. Go behind the tree. Got him. There you go. Ooh, that's a decent one too. Oh, oh, holy snap! Holy snap! Ooh. God dang. God damn. Look at this chomper. Whew. How many pounds is this? Golly. Two point 2.13, guys. Not bad. Bad bass. Oh, I came off. Golly! How the heck did I lose that? Holy snap, there's a whole bunch of bass. Got him. It's a little baby one. It's a little baby bass. The mama's there though. The mom is there. It's a little baby. I'm definitely getting her. Definitely getting her. She's huge. That girl is huge. She's right there, look. Just wandering around. Let's see if I could get. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna end up getting. She is enormous. I wanna make a lot of noise. Oh, she's huge. Where's she at? Got him. Nice little bass, little one. Where's your mom? Are these from like, are these horse from Topwater? I thought it right. Is it not supposed to say? I want the mama. Alright guys, that's it for today. We ended up catching a couple bass. We lost a whole bunch of blow-ups. We were working Topwater. We did I did a little bit of shaky head. What else? Wacky worm. And then I was throwing this big bait right here, hoping to catch one on Topwater, but unfortunately we didn't catch one today. But hopefully next time. I mean, as far as that, I had a great time. You know, it's always good to be out here, even if you don't catch none. I mean, it's a plus if you catch some, but even if you don't, it is what it is. But beautiful out here. It's like, it's almost like 85 degrees now. It's super hot. And yeah guys, oh yeah, check out the Waterland glasses. If you haven't got any polarized glasses, man, I recommend you getting some. I'm gonna show you what the difference is between you seeing the water. Check it out. I don't think you guys can see much. I don't know if you can see the bluegill there. I'll put the glasses on. I think you guys can see them better. Look at that. I feel like these glasses are amazing. So yeah guys, check them out. Check out Waterland. I believe they got some of the glasses right now on sale. Check out Super Clean. Amazing product like always. But as far as that, I mean, we're gonna end the video today. I'm thirsty, I ran out of water. I'm going home. But I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel, you know. Alright guys, see you next time.